Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome to Asma K9, a knowledge sharing platform where you will find quality content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's start. In this video, I will describe what Web API is all about, what is the difference between Web and Web API, what are different types of Web APIs, and what are open source categories for Web APIs we can utilize in our project. So Web API is basically a framework for exchanging data between your client and server machine. Your server can be built up on your target platform while your client side is not dependent on any technology. It could be integrated into any client, it could be physical machine, it could be a software, it could be an IoT device. Anything that can consume your Web API is basically your client side. So now let's look into the difference between Web and Web API. A web or a website require user interface and user experience. It requires user interaction between a website and a user in order for website to work. Website is entirely dependent on web browser, so the client side of the website is basically accessible through web browser. If you want to access a website, you need to utilize a web browser. Web browser could be Firefox, Opera, Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Internet Explorer, and any other. Web API, on the other hand, does not require any user interface or user experience or any user interactivity. Web API is a plain textual data which can be converted into a format of JSON or XML in order to share between client and server machine. Client side of a Web API is platform independent, which means that client side could be anything. It could be an IoT machine, it could be a software, it could be a website. Any platform that can integrate a website is basically a client machine. So Web API is easily integrated into your client machines. Now let's look into what types of Web APIs available that we can utilize into our projects. So in general, Web API has two architecture or protocol formats which can be utilized into your project depending on your business requirement. First one is REST, which is also stand for Representational State Transfer Web API. Second one is SOAP, which means Simple Object Access Protocol Web API. So now let's look into the difference between REST Web API and SOAP Web API. So REST Web API is flexible data architecture for data exchange, while SOAP is a fixed protocol standard for data exchange. It follows a very strict protocol if you want to exchange your data using SOAP. So REST Web API support JSON, XML, and many other formats for exchanging data, while SOAP Web API strictly follow XML format for data exchange. REST Web API utilizes less bandwidth, while SOAP Web API utilizes heavy network bandwidth. In REST Web API, SSL implementation can or cannot be used, depend on your business requirement, while in SOAP Web API, SSL implementation is necessary to implement. REST Web API exchange data via URL, while SOAP Web API exchange data via service interface. So now let's look into some of the open source REST Web APIs and their categories. So here are my top 5 categories for REST Web APIs which you can easily download and integrate into your project free of cost. So first one is not a category, it's basically a REST Web API itself, which is Twitter. So Twitter REST Web API is available free of cost. You can utilize that into your project in order to find out Twitter analysis. Next one is currency exchange rate REST Web API. It is also available free of cost. Then we have weather type category for REST Web APIs. They are also available free of cost. Then we have financial categories, and then we have entertainment REST Web API categories, and then there are many more open source REST Web API categories that you can utilize into your project. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.